Hi everyone. This is what our smart locker looks like, and you can see our system integrates a door sensor and a servo lock and a keypad and LCD display and speakers. And you can also see we have RGB status LED and temperature and humidity sensors integrated on our PCB. And also we have MQTT cloud communication and OTA remote firmware update. So after the startup, the device connects to Wi-Fi and MQTT, and the LCD shows the locker status, while the top bar displays temperature and humidity, and the bottom shows the door and lock status. So firstly, I will demonstrate the OTA features. So now you can see this is our cloud UI, and this here is the OTA button, and we upload the firmware we want to update in advance, and now we just need to click this OTA button. And you can see this RGB status LED turns blue and indicating now we are doing the OTA, and it will take almost 1 minute to finish the OTA. So now you can see the OTA is finished, and this we have a notice on the cloud UI saying the OTA is successfully finished. And now, next step, I will demonstrate the deposit flow. So from the cloud UI, the user need to click deposit, and then you need to enter the last 4 bits of your customer's phone number. And now you can see the locker unlocks automatically, and the LCD shows unlocked. And the user can open the door and place the item inside. And when the door is open, the RGB LED turns white.
Please close the door.
And if you don't put the items inside and close the door in like 10 seconds, you can hear the audio indicating notice you. And after the user closes the door, the system locks automatically and updates the locker status to 4. And next is the pickup flow. So the cloud sends firstly the user need to enter the last 4 bits of the phone number and
Please enter your pickup code.
And get the verification code, and then the user can enter the code both on the keypad
0,
and the website.
2, 6, 1.
And when
Door
typing, the LCD shows the
Please
input
pick up your
status,
item.
and the speakers reads the press digits. If the code is correct, the locker unlocks, and the user opens the door, takes the item, and closes the door. The system locks again and returns to the empty state. And if the door is opened without authorization, the system enters alarm mode. The LCD will show alarm, and the RGB LED turns on as a warning. And you can see also there's notice on the UI, and the alarm status is reported to the cloud and being recorded in the log. And in the end, the administrator can clear the alarm remotely.